हाय गाइस, आज हमारे साथ है आनंद कुमार जो कि रिसेंटली 21 बैच से पास आउट है फ्रॉम वीआईटी वेल्लोर। तो जानते हैं उनके बारे में। वो अभी करेंटली विप्रो में प्लेस्ड है। हाय आनंद, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, Tarun. I'm good, Tarun. How are you?
आई एम ऑल्सो गुड। तो आनंद, सबसे पहले आप हमको ये बताओ यार, आपका कंप्यूटर साइंस में इंटरेस्ट कैसे आया? मतलब आपने कॉलेज कैसे चूज किया, क्या सोचा था 12th के टाइम?
So 12th के बाद like I was preparing for JEE and after that I gave so many other entrance exams. I am from 2016 back. So then I thought like I asked some of my seniors what would be good for me and what is the more thing which is more in demand. So they told me I was not having very keen interest in this side. So basically जैसे मुझे किया कि ऐसा ऐसा है, this is a good field and so I
Right,
thought
right.
like it would be good for me to start off with this computer science. So I took ECM in VIT, that is Electronics and Computer Engineering, and from there it all started.
ओके, तो स्टार्टिंग ईयर्स के बारे में बताओ यार। जब आप फर्स्ट ईयर में कॉलेज में जाते हो तो क्या हुआ था? फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर में कैसे प्रिपरेशन रही आपकी, और कैसे माहौल था कॉलेज का? एटमॉस्फेयर कैसा था कोडिंग से रिलेटेड?
Okay, fine. So VIT does not provide so good coding environment for sure. Like मेरे बस में तो उतना अच्छा coding environment नहीं था. Like I was not able to get so many friends who were coding at that time. Maybe मेरा circle ऐसा था, so I don't know about others. So इतना अच्छा coding environment definitely नहीं था. But yeah, like in my initial years, I was not aware कि we can get so many opportunities and this field is so good. Slowly मुझे पता चला and ये ऐसे ऐसी चीजें होती हैं and you got internship, you got PPO and falana and all those things I came
Yeah.
to know in my
Right, right.
like second year, third year, and after that I was able to know and started YouTube and seeing so many people. So from there I came to know so many new things जो मुझे पता भी नहीं.
ओके, तो थोड़ा आपका लैंग्वेजेस के बारे में बताओ यार। आपने सेकेंड ईयर तक क्या क्या पढ़ लिया था और किस टाइप से प्रिपेयर कर लिया था कि थर्ड ईयर में इंटर्नशिप आती होगी आपके यहाँ?
मैंने सेकेंड ईयर तक आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड विद सी. सेकेंड ईयर आई
Okay.
स्टार्टेड लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर आई वाज डूइंग व्हाट दे वर टीचिंग. सेकेंड ईयर में मैंने थोड़ा बहुत सी पढ़ा था एंड लाइक क्योंकि आई थॉट लाइक आई शुड स्टार्ट ऑफ आई वुड गेट एज ओवर अदर. आई डोंट नो पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड इन फर्स्ट ईयर ओनली. तो
Right,
उसके
right.
बाद आई वाज लर्निंग सी and then after that I did my internship after second year on Reliance. So that was a
Okay.
complete different profile. So wahan I was working with Python and then some like I after second year, after the end of second year, in the starting of third year, I asked some of my seniors कि किस language से start करूँ, मेरे को करना है. So they all suggested either go with C++ or Java, any object oriented language. So I started off with Java. Like that is the language I code in. So that's it about my language choices.
या थोड़ा आपके इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में शेयर करो कि विप्रो का इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था, और विप्रो आपके कॉलेज में कब आई थी, किस टाइप की प्रोफाइल थी विप्रो में?
So sure. So basically, it's been 8-9 months. They came in I guess November or yeah, 2 or November they came. So the job role is project engineer and there were basically 3 rounds. The first round was online round and that comprises of 2 coding questions and some and all that C-Attitude वाला part था. उसमें बहुत सारे questions थे, quant के थे और reasoning, थोड़े बहुत reasoning थे. That was 20-25 questions. That was pretty much on the easier side, I would say. There were 2 coding questions. One was easy and one was hard. Like in the last year, it used to be always easy, but since we are giving it virtually, companies have raised their standard. So the coding questions, I got one on array and one was on DP.
Yeah.
I was not expecting DP.
Yeah.
And उसके बाद there was one more part in the online assessment test, that was essay. You need to write essay on given topic. Like I guess 100 or 150 words was the limit, and that's all about the online round. And after that, they had one technical and one SR. So
Yeah,
the
okay.
technical was more on resume side.
Resume based.
The language you code is, the language you code ask that basic questions and they will ask about it, and on that basis, like they have make their mind see which business unit you will be fit in, and
Yeah.
from there you will promoted to the next round, that is HR round. So that is more on the typical HR round. They will ask typical
Yeah,
HR
yeah.
questions, why and what can you relocate, and all that thing they will ask.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's all about interview.
और डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का क्या रोल रहा आपके इंटरव्यू में, उससे रिलेटेड क्या था?
Like if I talk about Wipro's interview, so they were not more focused on data structure part.
Yeah.
They were basically focused on some basics of do you really know the language and how well you know about it. So that they were not questioning very deeply into data structure. They asked very simple questions. So that's all.
या अगर आप एक माना जाए कि कोई स्टूडेंट है जो 3rd ईयर में है, उसको आप क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे कि कैसे वो प्रिपरेशन करे, कितने टाइप के प्रोजेक्ट बनाना चाहिए उसको प्लेसमेंट के लिए?
Okay, fine. So I have given ample interviews, and most of them I felt there are some things which I like. So I will try to sum up everything which a person should have. So like don't focus on one company, because it is not going to be like, see, I have targeted this, then I will get that for sure.
Yeah.
Just rather than focusing on one company, focus on a band of 10 to 20 companies. Make a checklist depending upon your current strength, and do well in one language. Don't code in 2 languages. Code in any languages, C++ or Java preferably, and do well in that. Have 2 to 3 projects, and try to cover up like the basics of what you have done in BTech, like web dev or whatever you have done. Try to cover that in your project, and write everything about the project in a very good way. Like it should be like I was reading a book, and that used to say about a project, I guess you should write like I have done X work in Y time, and that gives Z% benefit to the company. So your resume writing skills should be good. It will look good in the interview, and that's it. Have some 2 to 3 projects is good enough. Code well in one language. I guess code like not more if you are targeting for tier 2. I would not say tier 2, but if you're targeting for companies which don't ask very deep data structure questions, you can do 100 to 150 lead code question or anything, so that you are good in problem solving. They are not going to ask you very difficult questions, so you can solve that and do smart work rather than doing hard work. So it will help.
Okay, great. तो विप्रो की क्या क्या प्रोफाइल्स थी, और कॉलेज ने क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया लगाया था, या विप्रो ने क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया लगाया था कि आप 4 में हो जाओ या 6 में हो जाओ? क्या क्या प्रोफाइल्स थी, मतलब प्रोफाइल्स के बारे में थोड़ा बताओ.
So Wipro recruit on three profile, I guess, that are going to start. So Elite is that the off-campus drive they conduct. Turbo is they recruit in NITs, VIT, and some other colleges. They visit that campuses, and Star is they recruit from IIT.
Okay.
So that's the basic criteria Wipro have. So they came in our campus, and there was not shortlisting on the. They had CGP criteria of I guess 70%. I guess 70 or 65. So that's it. That's all about. And after you clear your turbo exam, they will give you one more opportunity. That is one more coding round. If you clear that, you will be promoted to Star.
Yeah, great. तो CGPA
and
का
all of
क्या?
them work. All of them work as a project engineer.
Okay. तो आपको CGPA का क्या रोल रखता है कि कैंपस में CGPA कितना मेंटेन करना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है?
It definitely matters a lot. It is quite subjective in colleges. मतलब I was in VIT, so there it matters a lot, because I was not from a CST background, so I was from ECM. So it matters a lot. Like I was having 8.5, and still I was not able to sit in many of the companies because of my CGPA. But it depends upon colleges to colleges. Some colleges they don't differentiate much because we have large number of students, so company don't have other options. So I would suggest have a good CGPA. It would definitely help.
और आपने रिज्यूम में किस टाइप के प्रोजेक्ट मेंशन किए थे, मतलब कितने टाइप्स के प्रोजेक्ट मेंशन किए थे, और किस चीज पे प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था? थोड़ा प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करो।
Fine. So I have basically, like, in the initial days when I made my resume, it was very bad. Like I was doing
या
everything जो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत कुछ किया था.
हाँ
तो slowly मैंने काफी resume देखे और काफी interviews हुए. तो some interviewers suggested me, you are doing this wrong, and so I've changed a lot. So it is basically now it has 3 projects. One is a chatbot I made using Node.js and Talkative.io. Another is a Designer-One project that I made for Ericsson. It was a web dev project. So basically my resume like aligned to web development and basics of the frameworks which I have used.
ओह ग्रेट। थोड़ा विप्रो के बारे में बताओ कि आप विप्रो ज्वाइन कर चुके हो, तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको वहाँ पे? मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर कैसा है? या
अभी तो वी आर पुट इनटू ट्रेनिंग. बेसिकली हमें अपने PGP और PRP कोर्सेज एनरोल दिए गए हैं कंप्लीट करने को. तो इट इज गुड. लाइक देयर आर डिफरेंट बिजनेस यूनिट एंड काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं इनके पास. देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव अ चॉइस टू मेक कि if I wanted to this tech stack, I can go for this and go. So because there are so many projects, and definitely you will learn a lot because and it is not like a force or pressure. You can relax and have a good work-life balance and then work and do what you love. So that is a good thing I feel.
ग्रेट ग्रेट। तो ये थी यार आनंद की जर्नी, जो कि VIT से पास आउट है। तो थैंक्स आनंद फॉर शेयरिंग योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑन आवर चैनल.
Thanks a lot, Tarun, for having me. It feels good if someone can learn from my experiences and they can do well in their career. So thanks a lot.
वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो आपको प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. थैंक्स अ लॉट. या थैंक यू.